Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, right now me there one place all the way in St. Elizabeth. Them call it Faulkner Town. Yeah man, me can link up my sister, you know. Yeah man, get some mangoes and all of them little, ground provision thing there and go back a yard and all. So guess what guys, me a go on a little tour, because I should have gone on a tour coming in, but the phone was not working properly. So we are going on a tour right now, going back down. So stick and stay and watch what I go on. Alright guys, we're up on the move now. Yeah man, so stick and stay and watch what I go on for the little tour, Alright. So up on the tour now of Faulkner Town, St. Elizabeth. So guys, over here on the left they have a scheme over here. Yeah man, they're selling land and so forth. They are building houses over here. Guys, the heat is on. Santa Cruz is known for a lot of heat. So I'll take the left here, go down. So we are up on a hill guys, so it's quite windy and we have some nice view up here. And at night you can see some pretty lights. Yes guys, this road here on the left can take you all the way back to Beadles Heights, Foster Park, and it can take you to a road called Windsor Heights back down to the main. Guys, we are at the crossroad now that can take you to Burnt Ground, Retrieve, Schoolfield, and it can also take you to Waterloo, back down to Santa Cruz main road. Guys, we are approaching Santa Cruz housing scheme, which is on the right. The right turn here, take you to the housing scheme. Continue straight, which will take you to Santa Cruz Town. On the left here is Beadles Heights. Over here we have an apartment complex. I can remember when I was younger, I used to be up and down on these road, back and forth, playing football, cricket and all of those sports. So guys, we are now Santa Cruz Town. Guys, so here we're stopping at the gas station to get some petrol. So guys, this is Jamaican $5,000 note. Yes guys, so we are in the town of Santa Cruz now. Scotiabank is over here on the right. They have the Santa Cruz market on the left here. You turn on this road, it can take you back to the bypass. And we have in-town super center over here on the left as well. just past Juicy Beef, guys, and we are approaching Mothers now. So guys, I am going to take a left turn right here at Morrison's to go to Fern Village. We have Jamaica National Bank over here on the right. So guys, welcome to Fern Village. Going at the pharmacy. Yes guys, the niceness there. I want to get mangoes, peanut, tamarind, avocado. Yes guys, so they have quite a number of stores over here. So we are going to get some water now. Going at the water store, we have Pharmaplex Pharmacy over here. So we are at Mike's Water Store. Afternoon. Alright guys, so 3 bottles of water, the regular water, it costs $300 per bottle to refill. Going to Santa Pharmacy now. So yes guys, after the little tour from Faulkner Town coming down to Santa Cruz Town, here is where I will end this video. So guys, always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Fire read, big up yourself.